Veteran filmmaker, screenwriter and actor P. Bharathiraja, widely regarded as one of the most influential directors in Tamil cinema history, passed away at his residence in Chennai on Wednesday after a prolonged illness. He was 84 years old. Bharathiraja, fondly known as Iyakkunar Imayam, the Everest of Directors, had been battling age-related health complications as well as respiratory issues. According to family associates, his condition deteriorated further following the death of his son, actor-director Manoj Bharathiraja, in March 2025. He was born as Chinnasamy Periyamaya Thevar in 1941 in Theni district. Bharathiraja went on to redefine South Indian cinema by introducing rural realism and authentic village narratives to mainstream filmmaking. His breakthrough came with his 1977 directorial debut Vayathinile, starring Kamal Haasan, Rajinikanth and Sridevi. The film marked a major shift away from studio-bound filmmaking and presented a raw, realistic portrayal of rural life, setting a new benchmark for commercial cinema. Over a career spanning nearly 5 decades, he directed more than 40 films across Tamil, Telugu and Hindi languages. His acclaimed works include Singapore Rojakul 1978, Alegal Oivadile 1981, Mudal Mariyadai 1985 and Karuthamma 1994. His Telugu film Sitakoka Chiluka also won a National Film Award. Bharathiraja was also known as a major talent spotter and mentor in the industry. He played a key role in launching and shaping the career of several actors including Radhika, Revati, Radha, Rekha, Vijayashanti, Karthik and Pandian. In addition, filmmakers such as K. Bhagyaraj, R. Parthiban and Pandyarajan were among those who trained under his guidance. Apart from his work as a director, he also earned recognition as an actor, appearing in films such as Ayudha Eluthu, Pandiyanadu, Tiruchitrambalam, Maharaja and the Malayalam film Thudaram. His final directorial work came in 2023 when he directed a segment in the anthology film Modern Love Chennai. A recipient of the Padma Shri, Bharathiraja won 6 National Film Awards and several state honors during his illustrious career. He leaves behind his son Chandraleela and daughter Janani. He leaves behind a remarkable legacy that transformed Indian cinema and inspired generations of filmmakers. May his soul rest in peace. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.